Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. Today we see the recipe of delicious chocolate pancakes. If you like this recipe, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe.
Let's see how to make chocolate pancakes. So in a bowl, take 1 1/4 cup all-purpose flour or maida, 1/4 cup cocoa powder. I'm using Cadbury brand's cocoa powder. You can use any other cocoa powder. It's unsweetened. 1/4 cup powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Give this a good mix. So here I have 1 1/4 cup warm milk. To this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons butter. I'm using salted butter, but you can use salted or unsalted, whatever butter is available to you. Now after mixing the butter with warm milk, pour this milk into this mixture. So you need to mix this well until the batter becomes smooth. I'm adding a little more water because I thought the batter is a little thick, but you can add milk in place of it. So this is perfect. This is the consistency which we are looking for. Now heat a good quality non-stick pan or tawa. You don't need to apply any butter or anything, because if you want to have a smooth, even texture to the pancakes, do not apply butter or any type of oil or grease to the pan. Now you'll see a few bubbles popping up. Before this completely dries out, you need to flip this. And as soon as you flip the pancake, it will rise. But if you let it dry completely on one side and after that if you flip it, it won't become this way. So make sure after a few bubbles appear, you flip it. And similarly, you need to make rest of the pancakes. Just have a look at these pancakes from the inside. These have turned out very nice and airy. You can see the air pockets. Just perfect. You can serve these pancakes warm with some chocolate syrup and ice cream. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy.